Joining us now, we have head coach Rob Engelken of the men's lacrosse team after 2 victories over Trent and Queens this weekend. Coach, talk about the 2 wins.
Last night it was really good to be back at Coulter here in Lennoxville, and we had a great crowd, and that was fun. I think our guys were a little amped up though, and we just really never played our game at all, and it was a pretty ugly game. It was nice to get the win against a scrappy Trent team, but it was a really ugly game. Came out today on just a beautiful day though, and really started to play a little bit more of our lacrosse. I'd say we played 60 minutes of pretty solid lacrosse out of the 80, and that was real nice. So we're pretty excited with that, and good effort from one end to the other.
Talk a little bit about both games. You split the time of your goaltenders, Perry McDermott and David Bigley. Was that a plan going into the weekend?
It is a plan. Both guys, they're 4th and 5th year guys. They've both shown to be 2 of the top goalies in the league. We have 100% confidence in both of them, and we're going to give them both a lot of big game experience here going into the playoffs, and then see who's got the hot hand. We never know. We might even continue running them both through the playoffs. We don't know, but right now they're both playing outstanding, and they both bring something very different to the table. One's a tall lefty and one's a shorter righty, and it's just a good mix of outstanding goaltending. So our team is 100% confident with both of them in there, and that's a really nice place to be.
It's great. And at the other end, James Malloy, slower night last night, but netted 5 today. Touch about his play so far this season.
He's just shown some great leadership. I mean, he's another 5th year guy here that's been around a while. He's played at a pretty high level, and he's taken on that role of leadership a little bit more even this year, and just settling things down with the offenses, reading things, and not pushing the game. He's just taking his opportunities, no matter what the defense does to try to shut him or our offense down. He knows we always have another gear and another step, and he's doing a great job of exploiting that.
Now you got 2 big wins here this weekend, but I know in the back of your mind you got to be looking ahead to November 6, 7, 8 when you're hosting the Piscataway Cup right here at Bishop's. First time we've got a chance to talk, so touch a little bit on what it means to have the championship right here in our backyard.
We're very excited about that. It's a great way to showcase our facilities here and all, and we've got a solid group of leaders and veterans and seniors and 5th year guys and whatever to lead us into it. So we're just really excited, and right now we're taking it one step at a time. We looked at this weekend though as a big weekend to prepare for that though, being there 2 games on the weekend here. On Piscataway we'll either have 2 or 3 that weekend, and that's fine. And we just are doing everything we need to do to prepare on a daily basis so that we're ready come then. We're not really too worried about it. That'll just be the icing on the cake at that point.
Great, thanks so much, Coach, and good luck next game against McGill right here on Coulter Field on Thursday night at 8:30.
We're excited about that. Hopefully we can fill Coulter for that one, as we got the best crowd in the league, so hopefully they'll all show up in their purple and send McGill home quietly.
Great, thanks so much. Good luck, Coach.
Thanks, Marty.